Yo, it's Jordan release day. So of course we had to go to the local mall and we need to go take a look at these. And here they are, Shattered Backboard Jordan 1 High OGs. This is the fourth one. The fourth one, I remember 2019, 2020, when the last ones came out. Everybody was going crazy over them. And that one, like, I feel like that one was kind of a whatever pair too. And everybody was still going crazy because they were super limited. It did have all that shiny, glossy material on it. This time it's just a traditional Jordan 1 OG, and it is a general release. So people less hyped about him. 185. Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing that this is a general release? Is it a good thing or bad thing that people are less hyped about him? What do you guys think? Readily available. I think they're going to be available at every store because they did not sell out this morning. They did not. They got the lows. They even have kind of like a mid version of them. I don't know, I guess. They still got the Rare Air still available. Jordan 4s readily available. $219.99 for these. $220 now. French Blue 12s still available as well. As the UNC or the Mellow 12s right here. Aqua 8s. Pure Money 3s right here. Great 5s. Oh, and they got the lows too. They got lows as well. What the hell are these? What are these? Called the Sessions. Never heard of these. Did not hear about these releasing. They got them in multiple colorways. $95. First time I've ever seen these bad boys. Okay. Of course, more colorways of the Spizikes and Flight Clubs coming out. This is actually a decent colorway. Material looks kind of mediocre, but the colorway is actually pretty dope. 6 rings. This colorway is decent as well. Then the latest Max R's, Max R7 right here, kind of taking inspiration from the Concord. Look at that. Concord lettering and everything. Kind of, sort of. You guys happy those are GRs? Are you guys happy they're widely available? We're going to see those at the outlets? Am I going to gamble to see if they're at the outlets? Would I buy them for 30% off? All legit questions. I don't know. I don't have any of the Shattered Backboards. I don't really have like an attachment to them or anything. Nothing that I really have to have. I'm seeing if these went down in price now. Still $130, still $180, and plenty of non-signature J's. $90, even $80, $130 for the 6 rings. Ever so popular 6 rings. Everyone got the AEs on sale now, $80, including the gray ones, which is one of the newer colorways. Tons of campuses on sale. This is one of the ones with the more unique materials. Corduroy material here, $60. We can get a suede one right here for $80. This green suede one here for $60. You want black on black suede, they got you for $80. What do these normally go for? I don't know. I don't know what the Sambas and what the Campus normally go for. Like 100 normally? 90? I don't know. But $80 for these Sambas right here. These are the ones with the fatter midsoles. They still got these. The Shoe Palace exclusives. I thought they would drop the price even more. This has that nice, like old school leather right here. Shoe Palace exclusive. 1993 is when Shoe Palace was first created. Okay. Like this one right here, the flea one. Yeah, these down to 40. So I thought they would drop the price on these. Or those. I thought they'd drop the price on those. They got more of the Bruce Lee merch right here. This jacket, actually not bad. It's actually not bad. I don't know what that says though. I always wonder, like, you know, they could so fool us and put something stupid on there and we wouldn't even know. We wouldn't even know. Yeah, these are going for $70 right here. Pretty dope. And they've been having a pretty solid sales rack here lately. Definitely worth checking out, dude. Gonna check out this Pro Image because they got that 75% off clearance section. And they got a ton of stuff like most other sports apparel stores, including both of those jerseys. Ooh, the Cooper Cup's down to $60. We've seen that Aaron Donald one at so many Ross and Burlingtons. Rams fans, why aren't you guys grabbing those, man? Hall of Famer, dude. Do got this Trojans hoodie right here. Look at this, 55. This is a small. And you get that for 75% off. Not bad. This is a women's. They got plenty of Fanatics, Dodgers t-shirts, Cooper Cup shirts right here. All of these are 75 off. Boston, this looks like a women's shirt. And both of these, all of these are women's. Got a Yankees shirt right here. Got a lot of Dodger stuff and a lot of Ram stuff. Got some Fools jerseys, t-shirts that aren't on the Raiders no more. Kind of worth checking to see if they have any new players. Got Mac Jones, who's currently on the Niners. I think he's the Niners' #1 backup. Nothing crazy though. I don't think anything crazy. Yeah, definitely worth a check because 75% off. Find stuff here once in a while. Sheik's been having the best sales. And they still got their sales right here because they got the big old sign, which is dope. Buy one, get one free on the shorts. That is pretty freaking dope. So like these Jordan shorts right here, $35. Sizing definitely an issue. They had the sale last week, so hopefully you guys were able to take advantage. Actually, they've had the sale for 2-3 weeks and I've showed you guys. But yeah, these, oh, I like these right here. They're fleece, $40. So $40 you get buy one, get one free app. Not the hugest fan of the black ones because black does fade, especially with the fleece material, but 2 for $40. Quality is definitely there. They're super thick. Also has metal aglets. I like the quality on those for sure. Yeah, 2 for $40. That's a crazy good deal. Oh, and they do have the Shattered Backboards. They're up in the front though. And are they gonna eventually go on sale like all these? Because remember, you do get an extra 20% off all these. So great time to buy these right now. Close to $100 after the sale. These go down even further, under $50, which is freaking insane. Remember, you do get an extra 25% off. Jordan 1 Low OG Game Royals right here. You get that Nike Air sign on the tongue, and you get these for $75. That's just insane. And then of course the Reimagine. It's got, I can't believe they still have this one, dude. I can't believe they still have this one right here. That comes down to like 80 something dollars. That's cheaper than what I got mine for. 25% off all the Team J's over here. Oh, all the ones with the blue tags on them. And yeah, prices are really good, dude. Great school section right here, getting the same treatment, 25% off all the blue tag items. Still got these. Someone just sent me a DM showing that they grabbed, I think it was this one, right? Was it this one? At the outlets for 70 something. I think it's cheaper here, dude. Got some Forces on sale. Also got Dunks on sale as well. Vomeros right here. I don't think any of the prices have gone down. I've showed these the last couple of weeks. I'm not going to go over each and every one of them. But yeah, if these continue to drop, I'm going to definitely have to grab those. And these are kind of fun, dude. Obviously, they don't have like the fake stuff because this is actually a legit store, unlike some of those shady kiosks. I don't know what the price is though. Don't know what the price is. I would assume not that much. It's in the women's section, which means if you get anything for $20, you get this for $10. Is that true? Is that true? I think that's it. Oh, that's the sandals, and these don't count as sandals. Never mind. But if you buy anything $20 more, you get women's fashion sandal for freaking $10. So buy yourself a shoe and then get your girl something, I guess. Make it look like you thought of her. And then with kids shoes, you get a mini ball, which is kind of cool. They're pulling out all the stops right now. Still got these in grade school, as well as these. Dude, this is crazy. $60 for the grade school. And more of Tempos. And then also the grade school Valentine's Vomeros right here, still going for $75. And they still got the Quantum ones right here. The Quantum basketball shoes, still going for $125. And the Paisley Gazelles right here. This is definitely different from any other Gazelle out there, and it is $25 off on top, so hella cheap. this is interesting because I told you guys, was it last week when I said, hey, their sales are always changing. 3-wick candles, I think they were like $14 last week, and now they're $12. Like I've said, they always change things up. If you keep track of prices, you get stuff for way cheap. These are the candles right here, 12 bucks, normally 25. And I don't really care about candles, but women love candles, right? Women love the candles when they're over. Were they 50 off last week, or were they this price? I don't remember. No, I think they were 15 bucks. I think I might buy just a couple of them. All right, used the coupon, got another 25% off, so I grabbed a few candles. And then also got a free, what the hell is this thing? Like, I don't know, I don't even know. So I'm gonna give it to you, give it to somebody, but yeah, I got one of these for free because I had another coupon. So yeah, I grabbed a bunch of these, and they were what, less than $10 after tax. After tax, they were under 10 bucks each, which I think is that's pretty good. I don't know, and it's a soy wax blend, which is, I've been trying to get like better candles. I know it's mostly soybean oil, so I think that's a good thing. I don't know. Oh, there's paraffins right there though. Dang it. Oh well, at least it's a good price. I didn't know those had paraffins. Dang it. Might be the last time I buy them, but should be good for the rest of the year. Yeah, I did skip Foot Locker. They ain't been having much. All right, let's go to Champs. And of course they got these as well. It's funny when they have to improvise. But yeah, have I seen these? All kinds of holes in them. Well ventilated gazelles right here. 50 bucks. Material definitely interesting. Some decent suede. Then yeah, you got the Juventus, which is a soccer team in Europe. Got Real Madrid right here. They got their own Especials, I guess. But yeah, man, not bad. Seeing all those on sale. They got the Messi as well up here. These are the Messi Sambas, right? Yeah. The AEs. I feel like Champs has been having the best sales on the AEs for quite some time. The other stores are starting to catch up. But remember, you can use a 10% off survey coupon. Hopefully you guys have plenty of those. I forgot to check to see if these are on sale at Chic as well, because you get that extra 25 off. Here's their Jordan section right here. Nothing too crazy. $10 off hats right here, or $10 hats, my bad, $10 hats. Not bad for Clipper trucker hats. It says knit hats, but obviously it's all these hats right here. But yeah, the Clipper trucker hat's about it, 10 bucks. Gotta check the 70% off. Anything new? Anything different? Not really, all the smalls. These are legit though, man. Yeah, these are legit CSG. They just got smalls, but 70% off. And I think it's like 70% off. 65, so under 20 bucks. It might be right around 20 bucks. They have a medium here, or this is small too. So let's throw this over here, help them out. Ooh, they got these medium shorts. I forgot to return the other ones because I'm an idiot and I'm lazy. But yeah, 70% off. So these come down to 12 bucks. I might have to grab this for my kiddo. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to grab this for my kiddo. 40 bucks, 70 off, that's 12 bucks. Still got these going for 50 off right here. The vests, $150. And this has that Primal Loft outer, whatever. Outer layer, exterior coating, I don't know. They got some $20 Chucks right here. This is actually pretty freaking dope. Pretty dope. Is this grade school? Grade school or women's? It's a size 5. Size 5. So $20 for those. That's just hella cheap. Always got to keep track on these 574. This is a huge one left over. 60 bucks. 80 for these right here. And yeah, these Ultra Boosts right here. These are a size 10, which I could wear, but I don't really need one. Price on this one, not too bad. Ooh, got the grade school one. Go for 80. Full Forces, $40, 30. I can't believe they still have these. They just need to give them away. Forces down to $70. Remember, use a survey coupon, please. I forgot to fill out surveys the last time. At least I'll get another one for these shorts right here. $12 item, and then I'll save $10 on my next $50 more purchase. If you do like If you do like silly math, like it's kind of free, right? Kind of free. If I get a $10 survey coupon after filling this out. Kind of dumb math, but it's kind of math, right? I don't know. Did grab those shorts for 12 bucks. Best deal. Definitely those Chucks right there. Grade school Chucks, it looks like. Fit women too. Fit plenty of women. Remember, make sure you guys go down a full size on that. I think I got, last checks I got a size 9, I think. But yeah, 20 bucks. JD Sports. And of course, that's what's here. Usually there's a sales rack for men's. I don't even see a sales rack. I guess everything's just against the wall now. The Ja 3s are out, so obviously the Ja 2's on sale. The E's, we've been seeing them on sale everywhere. 90 at JD. AD4s. The Puma Speed Cats, if your feet are narrow enough for these. My kiddo does use the Speed, I think, the Speed Cats? One of the Speed Cats when he's on his racing simulator. He says with regular shoes, they're too bulky and his feet kind of hit each other when he's stepping on the different pedals and stuff like that. But yeah, dude got Dunks, of course, got Forces, not the white and black ones on sale, but the regular color ones right here on sale. Not the cheapest price we've seen for the Jordan Flight Courts. These look decent. $65. Definitely not $105, but $65. This might be worth it, especially for people that aren't into retros or people that aren't into sneakers. And then if they're into retros, grab them those or these because they're on sale. Or these, or you can go to Chic too. Get in for a little bit cheaper. I don't know, they're kind of, JD's a little behind on sales right now. At least they got these on sale, which are pretty dope. And then the all black 3M ones right here, which I am a huge fan of. Those are freaking dope. I am a fan of these, but I don't know, maybe they'll go down in price because they do have full sizing right there. Like these bad boys right here, that's what I'm talking about, $60. But at Champs, you can use that $10 survey coupon. They have points here. If you buy a lot of stuff here, you can use points to grab that type of stuff as well. One of the other doper New Balances on sale, 2002 Rs, all regular price. These 9060s, not too bad, but I feel like everybody's had these on sale lately. Oh wait, these 2002 Rs are on sale. And I am a fan of the 2002 Rs, man. Do use some really nice material. A lot of them have suede on it. Yeah, so they are pretty dope. The Naughty hoodies on sale right here, $25. This one's down to 15 bucks right here. 15 bucks if you got like the Lightning 4s or something. Shorts going for 20 as well. So the big question after today, are these Shattered Backboards, are they gonna be available at the outlets? Are we gonna see at least a few returns? And are you a fan of Jordan highs not being so popular so we can find them at the outlets, or you guys missed the hype? You guys missed the hype and missed chasing after them. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And we out, man. We out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Shattered Backboard Jordan 1 High OGs. These are a GR, so readily available. Is that a good thing? Or do you guys miss when Jordan 1s were hard to get? I love this color blocking right here. Also love that nice tumbled leather. Digging the material on these. $185 for these bad boys. What do y'all think about them? What do y'all think?